In this video, you will see 3 reasons why houseplants have brown leaf tips. When growing houseplants, it might seem weird why the plants look healthy, but have brown leaf tips. Here are 3 reasons why. Number 1, overwatering. When plants are constantly soaking in water, they absorb too much of it, causing the plant leaves to turn yellow or brown. Always make sure that your plants only get watered when they are dry, and have drainage holes to avoid brown leaves. Even during storms with lots of rain, drainage holes help to drain excess water, ensuring the plants don't die. Number 2, underwatering or low humidity. Indoor air can be very dry, so using a humidifier and keeping the window frequently open can help to solve this problem. If your plants have brown leaf tips, and the leaves are crunchy, this means it is a result of underwatering, but if they are soft, it is from overwatering. Indoor plants usually shouldn't be watered more than once or twice a week. Number 3, too much fertilizer. Depending on the fertilizer, plants generally should only be fertilized every few weeks or months. Over-fertilizing can result in less produce, death of seedlings, and of course, brown leaf tips. Should you cut off the tips of leaves and will it harm the plants? Check the link in the description to find out. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.